how to delete bookmarks on Google Chrome. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can delete bookmarks on Google Chrome. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide it through. In order to remove the bookmarks, now I'll just open up Chrome here real fast and set it up. I'll just switch it, and here now what you can do is you can see you should get an interface somewhat like this on Chrome, right? You can tap on the three dots option at the bottom right corner of your screen, and you can see bookmarks option. You can tap on it. Once you're here, you'll get two different options: the mobile bookmarks and another folder. Now it depends on which device your account is logged in on. In this case, I'll just head into mobile bookmarks. Then you can see edit option at the bottom right corner. You can tap on edit, then select it. Then you can tap on delete option at the bottom left. You can select multiple bookmarks at once as well. This is how you can delete bookmarks on Google Chrome. Hope this helped you. You can do this for another folder as well. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.